Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to get a loan from Lloyds Bank. But first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the option to secure a loan is available both in the mobile banking app and on the internet banking website of Lloyds Bank. Here we will see the steps within the internet banking website. To begin, open a web browser on your computer and visit lloydsbank.com. Click on the search bar and type loans. Scroll a little bit down and click on Learn More in the Loans section. You will be directed to a comprehensive page. Take your time to read through the information provided, which outlines the types of loans available, prerequisites for application, the calculation of a loan's amount and repayments. As you scroll down the page, you'll find a dedicated section addressing common queries and essential requirements for application. Requirements include being a UK resident, having a Lloyds Bank account, among others. Explore the personal loan calculator, a valuable tool for determining the amount to borrow and the repayment's duration. Adjust the scales according to your preferences and the calculated details will be displayed. If you decide to proceed with the loan application, ensure you select the appropriate loan category, such as loans for buying a car, home improvement, or debt consolidation. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.